Here's something I hear very often from my clients. When they first arrive for the session, they say, Anna, I don't even know what triggered my symptoms. It's just so random. I don't know what happened. I don't know what makes better, and I don't know what makes worse. And what I notice as we start working together and discover body awareness, the more connected you are with your body, the more you start to realize that things are not usually random. Usually there is a reason for, there are triggers, there are something either physical, emotional, environmental, or food. Those are usually the most common triggers that are triggering your symptoms. Then if you are feeling like you don't know what is happening or why is your symptoms are getting better or worse, I would challenge you to start to practice body awareness and start to tapping into your body intelligence. And when you figure that out, it's going to be much easier for you to take your life back and be in control of your health.